Hello everyone, this is Adit back again with another video. So in this video we are going to learn how to create this digital clock. So basically the functionality of the clock is not that important over here. So all I'm trying to teach you on in this video is how to implement this animation, this layout transition animation, and using the we are going to use the React Native reanimated to achieve this animation. So yeah. And first of all, if you are new here, if you haven't subscribed the channel already, then please do consider subscribing the channel. And so let's get started now. Okay. So to create this animation, all I have done as of now is just I have this digital clock title and these values, these three values where we are going to display our uh, hours, minute, and seconds. So let's try to run it first, and then we'll see how exactly this works. And I kind of already installed React Native Reanimation, which is version 3. And over here you can see React Native Reanimated version 3. You don't need to bother about this gesture handling or these kind of thing. I have just installed it because I was doing some other stuff in the same repo. So all you need is this React Native Reanimated, which is at version 3. And yeah, that's all you need. So now let me try to. So finally it's I'm able to run it. And over here now, first thing that we're going to create is to add the dynamic value over here. So we are going to get hour, minute, and seconds. So to get those value, what we are going to do is, like, first of all, let's just have one state, and this is going to have initial values as new date, and this will have current time, set current time. Now inside the use effect, what we are going to do is we'll try to update this value, and to get the time, so let's have const. I hope you already know how to create a clock in this. Okay, and mine is like I'm using Copilot, so yeah, I'm using Copilot, so that's why there is auto completion of the code, and return just clear interval. So the date gets updated, and it updates our state as well. So if you just look over here, let's first of all format it in the local string format, and then we will try to console log formatted time. So over here you will have to see, like, we are having this 10, 14, 18. So our second is also over there, so second is getting updated as well. And now what we are going to do is we will restructure the hour, minute, and seconds value. And the reason for that is, like, reason you will get to know why we need to do that, because let's see. So to restructure it, what we are going to split it. I have this formatted like colon, because we have this colon. We are going to split it from here as well, and then finally the spacing. So let's have H, M, and S. Cool. And we are going to display our H, M, and S. And if we just save it, oh sorry, to pass as JavaScript. Now if we just go over here, you will have to see we are getting this value like 29, 20, 30, and this value is getting updated. So now the thing is, how we are going to achieve that animation over here, right? To achieve that, so one thing that you can do to achieve that animation is, let's have this in our seconds, because that is getting updated frequently. We will have to get the value very first, animated dot text, and this animated is going to come from React Native reanimated. And so basically what is happening when text is entering like coming, that time we are having this slide in from up, right? So what we are going to do entering, and while entering we are going to have slide in up. I'm correct, right? Yeah, so that is slide in up. And similarly we have this, and the text is going to exit from slide out down. Okay, so if you are able to see, like, it is not going to update, like the reason for that is the text is already created, and it is not getting re-rendered or getting we need to create one new text every time when we are going to update it. Like, so basically this text is already on the screen, so entering and exiting is not happening. And if you try to reload it, then you might be able to see the changes. So see, that's how it is entering and exit well when you're going to exit that. So to do the frequent re-rendering of this text, what we are going to do is, like, we'll pass one value which is key, and in the key we will pass this seconds. I know it sounds a bit weird and like it is not expected. Like, we never use the key for any other thing except in the list view, where we want to which it gives the every element a unique key, but over here we are going to use it. Now if you just see, whenever our key is getting updated, that this text is getting created, a new text component is getting created, and that's the reason it is we are able to see this transition. Now similarly we can pass it to our minute as well, and similarly we can have it on seconds, sorry, hour. And we can have this animated dot text dot text. Cool. And if we just go over here, so currently it is taking complete space, as much space it has. We are going to do some customization, and we are going to use, not going to use the slide in slide down, but we are going to create our custom in worklet, which is going to do this animation. So to achieve that, and now let's just entering, just create for enter, and for to create the worklet in React Native reanimation, you need to pass the worklet like string like this, and then you can do whatever you want. So like over here, instead of using that slide up down with, we are going to use with timing, and similarly we are going to define the duration over here, like for what duration you are going to do the animation of target origin Y, and we are going to have an initial value as well, and origin X start value is 150, and this is going to return initial values and animations. Okay, and we are going to pass entering, and similarly we are going to create for the exit as well. Like you can see, for entering it has reduced it to over here. We'll do more customization over here, and for exit as well, let's just copy this, sitting, and for that we are going to have current origin Y plus animation distance. So we are going to define animation distance over here, const let's let's have it 100, but we'll change it if required. And then we have this current origin y. Okay, and animation duration as well. Let's just have one animation duration 300. And then we are going to return this value. Translate, and let's pass this over here. And now if we just go over here, we have to see like it is taking enough time to come to its initial position. And similarly, let's just pass these two to over here as well. So when our hour and minute is getting updated as well, that time it is going to show the animation as well. Right, now we are going to do some styling. So this is all we have for the animation part, but we can add some stylings as well. And let's have one styling like clock container. This is going to have flow hidden. Yeah, so this is how it will look, and this is how this value is getting updated. And similarly we can do more styling stuff over here, like create a border out of it, like background color, which is going to be not light gray, 505017, I don't know what, 050301. Yeah, let's see what is the color. Okay, we need to change the text color, have it white. Yeah, that's all you need to do for border radius. Let's have 16, and we can remove this digital clock title, otherwise we need to style this as well, which I don't want right now. So this is how you can create this animation of moving text using React Native Reanimated, and this is how it looks. So this is it for this video. If you liked the video, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.